So I was literally about to head out when they just all pulled in, and our cars are literally right there in that corner. The vet and the kitty got a ticket. To meet up with our boy Stealthy Garage, which has that beautiful Roush. Nothing too crazy. It's just going to be a little chill meet. I'm actually going to go ahead and see MV's new version of that 370Z. So I can't wait to see how that one looks in person. I have yet to see that since the accident. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and pick up the camera once we actually get over there on Blackstone. You guys already know Fresno. You know how hot Blackstone is. So fingers crossed, it's a good night.
In 6.1 miles, take exit 132 onto Shaw Avenue.
That's like, have you ever seen that one Guardians of the Galaxy meme? The guy's like driving the ship hella crazy and Bruce is sitting there like, I'm Groot.
That's what you felt like?
Yeah, I was just like happy to be here.
Alright, so we are officially on the worst street to be on as a car enthusiast here in Fresno. That is Blackstone. So again, the meet's actually here on Blackstone. It's a chill meet. It's honestly a memorial meet. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up with Stealthy Garage real quick, and then we'll go ahead and actually head out to the meet. Damn, I fucked up picking this side. I didn't even think about this spot. Oh, the joys. Oh, another little scrape. Not too bad though, not too bad. Man, I scripted on that too. So literally the meet's literally at the next light, so that's good that we're not really driving on this road too much. I think last time he was on the road, he got pulled over within like 2 minutes over here. So we made it safe and sound. So we got the newest version of the Z right here with that red, matching obviously the red lights over here, the iconic ones that we've always seen. But it's good to see him back out again. This thing's clean. That's clean. I'm still jealous of that. My lights are actually dead right now, so they're not on. Oh my God, this thing is so loud. So I didn't really record much over here just because, again, it was just a really chill meet. But you never know when one of these are gonna happen for you, so you always gotta show some love. Fuck! So I was literally about to head out when they just all pulled in, and our cars are literally right there in that corner. All bad. Damn. Risking it for the biscuit right now. Oh man. Really hope I don't get popped for anything right now. But let's go ahead and make sure I'm ready. good. I think we made it. Honestly, don't know what the situation was going on there, but as long as we got out of there, it's all good. Fuck. Jay, fuck, bro. Just brought the whole Fresno PD with you or what?
Cobra's getting a ticket with for fucking handicap.
Oh shit, that's what's happening over there.
What happened?
Handicap.
I think he should come out fucking.
Oh. Where did all the Shelbys come from? That's an 11, 12 too. Bro, whatever, man. I'm still the only Shelby in my eyes. Oh shit, it's not even a spot. No fuck's good. Well, this is gonna be a fun little night. So the vet and the kitty got a ticket. Oh damn, 250 fine. The baby camera. Yeah, he would 100% have asked them, pop the hood. No doubt.